Hello children, good morning to you all. Yesterday I taught you the poem The Minder Bird, and today I am going to give you notes on that poem. Okay, very simple poem and small notes you are going to have on it. Let us do it. Few question answers. Understand? We are going to write only the question answers. Nothing else is there in this poem. Just 4 to 5 question answers we are going to write. Okay. So, minor bird question answers. Minor bird. Answer the following. First question is, why was the speaker annoyed? Why was the speaker annoyed? Annoyed means angry. Answer, the speaker was the speaker was annoyed because he was the speaker was annoyed because he was irritated. He was very irritated. He was very irritated. He was very irritated he was very irritated with the song of a little bird. With the song of a little bird. Why was the speaker annoyed? The speaker was annoyed because he was very irritated with the song of a little bird. Why was the speaker annoyed? The speaker was annoyed because he was very irritated with the song of a little bird. Why was the speaker annoyed? The speaker was annoyed because he was very irritated with the song of a little bird. Please take the heading, name of the lesson, copy the question, write the answer, leave a line, then take the second question. Hope you have written the poem. If you have not written the poem, please write the poem one time in your notebook. Second question. What irritated him the most? So, same answer we will get here, you see. Why, in your textbook you see, why was the speaker annoyed? What irritated him the most? So, here we are not taking the first question. In second question we have two questions. First question leave, only the second part of the question we are taking. So, I am writing it on the board. How did he try to solve the problem? How did he try to solve the problem? He clapped his hands at the bird from the door to scare away the bird. How did he try to solve the problem? He clapped his hands at the bird from the door to scare away the bird. Understand? How did he try to solve what problem he had got? Irritation of the bird song. How did he try to solve the problem? He wanted to scare away the bird. For that, what did he do? He clapped his hands from the door so that the bird would fly away. That is the thing he did for solving the problem. So, he clapped his hands at the bird from the door to scare away the bird. Third question. In the beginning, whose fault did the speaker think it was? Whose fault Did he think it was later? So, this is the question. In the beginning, whose fault did the speaker think it was? Whose fault did he think it was later? This is the question. Its answer I have to write up because place is not sufficient. So, I am rubbing the second answer and writing the third answer. Okay. So, we are writing third answer now. In the beginning, the speaker thought that it was the bird's fault. Later he realized that it was his fault. In the beginning, the speaker thought that it was the bird's fault. Later, he realized that it was his fault. In the beginning, the speaker thought that it was the bird's fault. Later, he realized that it was his fault. This is the third answer. Now, let us go to fourth one. Understand? Next, we are going to fourth question. What would you do if the bird came to your house every day and sang? Would you want it to go away? Do you think the speaker clapped his hands because he enjoyed the bird's song? No, only this fourth answer I am going to give. Question. What would you do if a bird came to your house every day? Came to your house every day and sang. This much question is enough. I don't want to add anything else from this question. Only first part of the question I have taken. Our answer is, because even if we write the complete question, our answer would be the same. I would enjoy the song of the bird. I would enjoy the song of the bird if it if it came to my house and my house every day and sang. So what would you do if a bird came to your house every day and sang? I would enjoy the song of the bird if it came to my house every day and sang. I would enjoy the song of the bird if it came to my house every day and sang. I would enjoy the song of the bird if it came to my house every day and sang. So this is the question answers part of the poem. We don't have much to do with this poem. Only learn the poem, 8 lines, very simple it is. Then first you write the poem, then write these 4 question answers. I cut short the questions because even if the question is such a big, your answer will be the same. That's why we need not write such a big question. So here ends our class today. I hope you understood what I meant. Please copy the question answers neatly in your notebook. Okay children, thank you.